Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got 2 wonderful cake designs for you today. So if you're in a bit of a hurry and you have a special occasion coming up or some guests coming around, why not try these 2 designs? Start with a basic vanilla cake or flavour of your choice. Slice off the top and then slice in half. Remove the crumbs, then layer it up with whipped cream and some rainbow sprinkles. If you have 2 vanilla cakes, you can make 4 layers. Now let's coat it in whipped cream, smoothing it out. Get some cereal, smash it up with a rolling pin and stick it on. Swirly pattern on the top and Bob's your uncle. Wow! For our next design, we're splitting whipped cream into 3 portions, adding a different food colouring to each. We've got pink, blue and purple. Leaving a little plain whipped cream. Now get your vanilla cake, slice the top off and layer it with strawberry jam. A bit like a Victoria sponge. A really tall one. Now let's add the whipped cream around the edges, starting with purple. Then blue, slightly overlapping each colour. Then pink, smoothing it out to create a faded effect. Then the plain whipped cream goes on the top. A dollop of each colour and spread it around. Let's add some sprinkles for a finishing touch. And look at that. Lovely. 2 cakes fit for any birthday party. Super simple.